Hello, good here. I'm going to answer a question that many of you have left me in the comments. Yes, you have to have the application connected all the time for it to work, and the answer is simply that it is not recommended to have the application connected to your bracelet all the time for a simple reason. Because if you have it connected all the time, all the data that your bracelet collects is automatically sent to your application, and your application is updated at all times. But you can leave your phone at home and go out to play sports or close the application without a problem. The only thing that will happen is that all the data that is collected will be stored in the bracelet, and once you open the application, it will take a while for this data to be transferred from your bracelet to your device. This time is very short, that is to say it in number 39 minutes, or even if it has an hash 39, it's been many hours, so I recommend that you keep it open whenever you can. But if your battery is low, if you want to go out, exercise, and leave your phone at home, nothing happens. It works perfectly, and in the same way that in number 39. Then thank you very much.